Is ugly grout getting you down? Look at these before and after pictures. Stay tuned and I'll show you how you can have the same results.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
Hello friends, today we're going to be doing another DIY cleaning product. Today we're going to be doing a grout cleaner. It should be a pretty short video. It only has 3 ingredients. So let's get started, shall we? The first ingredient is going to be 1 cup baking soda. Now baking soda is a mild alkali and it can cause dirt and grease to dissolve easily when mixed with water, or what we're going to use is hydrogen peroxide. And it will be effective in removal of the dirt and grime. So 1 cup of baking soda. And next we have 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and that will whiten the grout, and it's also non-toxic, so it is good for the environment, for you, for your animals. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pine needles essential oil, and this is optional. You don't need it to help clean, but it will leave the room smelling fresh, and it will help remove build up the dirt. And I think it smells like pine sol, and I always love the pine sol smell on floors. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in that before we add it in to the baking soda. I think it'll be easier to stir all together that way, and then I'll just mix that up. And this will make a paste, and then you'll put the paste on the dirty grout. And I have tried a lot of things for my grout and nothing's worked, so I'm hoping this will work. Now this won't replace scrubbing. You will still have to scrub. Well, it's a little bit more liquidy than paste. Okay, I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes and see if it becomes a paste. And as you can see, the grout is very dirty. I've even used like a little grinding tool with citric acid and baking soda, and it didn't work. So I'm hoping this will work, because the rest of the tile looks great, but not the grout. You do want to make sure that you start with a clean floor, sweeping or mopping it. So we'll go ahead and put some of my mixture on the grout. Okay, so it does settle where it's a little bit thicker on the bottom, and we are going to go ahead and spread this paste on the grout. And then it needs to sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and use a toothbrush to scrub it with. Now toothbrushes, they don't make the hard bristles anymore, and that's what I would have liked to have, so I did buy medium, and I'm hoping that will work. And I did a square so we can be able to see how well it works. Okay, so it's been over 10 minutes. I have my medium bristle toothbrush, and I am going to just go ahead and scrub. And as you can see, it is a lot cleaner. If you can see what this looked like, and now you can almost see the natural color to that. So I am really impressed with this. Very simple. You just add baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and essential oils if you want to. And then you want to go ahead and just rinse it to get rid of all of the residue. Now this isn't perfect. I would have to try to find a little bit better toothbrush. But as you can see, the old look, the new. I'm very impressed with this. And if I use my electric grinder, actually it's electric scrubber, it will become a lot better. So after cleaning the floor, I thought I'd go ahead. In my shower, we have a lot of rust in the grout, and I can use that CLR, but it is a lot of scrubbing and it stinks and it's not natural. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. Not a real thick paste, so it's harder since it is vertical instead of down on the floor to stick, but we'll sure give it a try. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes, and we'll go ahead and see if this concoction gets rid of the rust stains too as well. Oh my goodness, that's a lot better than the CLR. I am definitely going to be cleaning my shower with this stuff. And as you can see, the one right next to it and the one I did. I definitely recommend using this product if you have dirty grout or rust stains in your shower. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you can get notices of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.